The aim of this project is to demonstrate the feasibility of percutaneous, needle-based optical coherence tomography of renal masses. Knowledge and experience gained in optical coherence tomography, or OCT, is now being implemented in vivo in the kidney. The development of OCT into an optical biopsy has been prompted by the clinical need for an accurate and easy technique for tumor differentiation.
We aim to develop OCT into an optical biopsy, providing real-time imaging with on-the-spot tumor differentiation.
This video will start off with a schematic representation of the full procedure, after which we will show you the real video of the procedure that takes place in our interventional radiology rooms.
Using ultrasound, localize the tumor and mark the needle entry point on the skin. Using a needle guide, place the 15-gauge coaxial introducer needle, place the 18-gauge trocar needle, feed the OCT probe up the trocar needle. While fixing the OCT probe, retract the trocar needle to expose the OCT probe. Perform an OCT scan. Remove the OCT probe and trocar needle. Place the core biopsy gun through the introducer needle. If the positioning is satisfactory, fire the biopsy gun. In this demonstration, we use the commercially available Illumient Optis OCT system connected to a Dragonfly Duo intravascular.